Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I just came home from walk and I still have enough strength to do something. It's very hot outside, so I don't want to go out. So I decided to make a fruit tart, or actually a berry tart. And I want you to join me. So first, let's get together our ingredients. So the recipe is about 20 years old. We start to get everything together what we need. And in the meanwhile, I switch on the oven to preheat it. So first, 250 grams of flour. Multi-purpose baking flour. Then butter. This is 250 grams. We need half of it. Then vinegar, water. The tub is here. For the filling, we need the berries. And we need 6 eggs. Then cream, 250. Sugar, 100 grams. We will still have to wait. And milk, 250. This is 1 liter, so it's enough. So we have all the ingredients we need, so we can start. And final ingredient are the already washed berries, which make the whole thing the sweetest. So let's start. We need 250 grams of flour. So we take this mixing bowl for the actual dough. And we put the things we need for the cream on the side. So for the actual dough, according to our recipe, we need 250 grams of flour. So we set this to 0, and now 250 grams of flour. That was a little bit too much. So 250, fine. Then the next thing is 125 of butter, which is just half of 250, so I will not measure it, I'll just cut it in half. Which is 250, 125, sorry. So we are quite okay with it. Yes. And that I will put in the microwave now because it's much easier to actually mix melted butter. So the butter goes in the microwave. So time is up, let's see, not completely melted yet, so we give it another 10-15 seconds. That was 15, let's check, that is good enough. So we mix it a little bit that the last of the butter melts as well. So next thing is 125 water. And in the water comes a teaspoon of vinegar. So we mix everything together. First, the butter is the easiest thing to mix with the flour. So we let the mixing machine do its work. And we add the water to it with the vinegar. So we need a spatula to get the side out, because you've seen there is, or you can see there is a little bit darker one. That means it is not, did not mix with the water yet. That is only flour mixed with oil. So it mixed well. You can see it doesn't stick to the sides, but it sticks to my fingers. That's a good sign. So the next thing is to prepare the cake form. Usually you butter everything and put it together, but I prefer to actually put paper in, baking paper. At least on the floor, so when I bring it out later, so this way it can never stick to the ground. It might stick to the side a little bit where we will put butter, but the side is never an issue. Because when the cake is done, I can just cut around like this to loosen it from the side. So let's get a little bit butter. No, I don't even need butter because this one is very well oiled. So let's get it out. Now we spread the dough evenly. You have to check that the ground is fully covered, and then you spread it up on the side. Now we put it a little bit in the fridge to make it a little bit colder and easier to form. So while the dough is in the fridge, we now prepare everything for the cream or the filling. So we need the 6 eggs, and we take the complete egg. That happens sometimes. So the eggs are in. Next thing is 250 millimeters of cream, means the whole pack or the whole bottle. And for my wife's sake, this one is cream without lactose. She prefers it that way. Then we need to weigh in 100 grams of sugar. And on top for the taste, and for additional taste I add bourbon vanilla sugar. So now we can start mixing. So first we mix the milk and the eggs together. And now we add the sugar. And that was it. There's nothing more to do with the filling. So let me open the oven first. This is where it goes, preheated to 180 degrees centigrade. And now let's hope that it doesn't fall while I carry it there. Happened once to me, don't need it again. So it's in. And then we set the oven to 50 minutes. So see you again in 50 minutes.
One eternity later.
So the time is gone. Let's see how it gotten to be. So now we just cut around it a little bit to loosen it from the side, but as you see it's quite loose already. Then we open the form and done. So I'll let it cool a little bit, then we can cut it and I will try the first piece. I hope you like the way I describe how to bake the cake, and I will let you see how I eat the first bite, and I will tell you how sweet it was. See you guys later.
A few moments later.
So as you can see, it has cooled down, so let's try and cut a piece. So looks nice. Let's see how it tastes. So let's see, it's still hot. I hope it will still be sweet or already be sweet without burning my lips. Well, let's see. Oh yeah. You can taste the sugar out of it, but the sourness of the berry really give it a round flavor. And yes, it is very hot, but it's very good. I think I will eat the whole cake alone before my wife comes back from work. Anyway guys, thank you for joining in. I hope I could show you a little bit something how to make a tart. It's quite easy, as you see. You don't need many ingredients. Butter, flour, and a little bit vinegar and water for the base dough. And then berries. You can also use peach or apples work as well. And milk and cream and eggs for up, and sugar. That's it. Not much to do. 45 minutes, 50 minutes in the oven, and it is set. Maybe you let it cool a little bit longer than I did now, so that you actually don't burn your mouth, but yeah, didn't want to wait. Wish you guys a wonderful evening and enjoy your night. Bye bye.